Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are cooking breakfast on the Blackstone. I don't really ever cook breakfast on the Blackstone. I'm not a huge breakfast person. I do fasting, so I don't typically eat until at least like 1:30 in the day. Weekends it really depends, but I decided to cook Damaris breakfast because she was wanting some. So I decided just to cook it on the Blackstone since I never cook breakfast on the Blackstone. So I cooked bacon, and then I cooked up some hash browns and some chocolate pancakes. Pretty easy. I'll probably cook breakfast on it again. Just for me, it's a lot easier just cooking it in the oven or on the stovetop. But I see a lot of like Blackstone breakfast recipes, so I'll probably try it a lot more and post it onto the channel. But yeah, enjoy this. I'm gonna put some music to end it. But yeah, enjoy the video.